All right, guys. So I recorded the video and it was like a totally black screen. I love technology. Okay, so I'm going to record this video kind of fast because you can slow it down. And I think you guys know what speed is anyway. All right, so speed is defined as the distance an object travels per unit of time. So we know when we're talking about distance, it's like miles or meters or kilometers or inches, anything that measures a length, okay? And then unit of time, you got anything from hours to seconds to minutes, okay? Basically, it indicates how much time it takes for motion to occur, all right? It measures how fast an object gets from one place to another. So far, hopefully good. Like, we kind of understand, like, speed is like how fast you're going. So that's basically all this is saying. But what they are saying, though, for you to know how fast you're going, you have to know distance and you have to know the time. All right. So the next thing I want to talk about is that any objects all moving, I think all is already on your sheet, but I'm going to write it on my sheet again. All moving objects have speed. Okay, I think you already have the word all there. Okay, so that means if I walk from my desk right now to the kitchen, I have a speed. It may be really slow, but it's still speed. Unless I'm really hungry, then it might be pretty fast. Okay, and if you are stationary, which means you're not moving, then you have a speed of 0. Okay, so that's the same thing as a 0. All right, so the reason why speed is important is because it basically describes how fast something is moving. I had already texted you guys and told you I was going to send you this video, and then it was messed up, so I'm doing it right now. Okay. All right. Objects can move with a constant speed. Okay. Which basically means if it's constant, it means that it does not change. That's what constant means. So a good example would be if I'm driving to Florida and I hit a stretch of highway that there's not a lot of cars on the road, it's just me and the highway, maybe I would put my car on cruise control. Okay, if I put my car on cruise control, whatever speed I set the car at, that's what speed it will stay the entire time. Okay, so that's like constant speed. Now there are two other types of speed. One is called instantaneous. Remember, you can always pause this if I'm going too fast. I just kind of trying to keep the video kind of short because the other one is about a little less than 10 minutes. Instantaneous speed, okay? This is speed at a specific or given moment, okay? So this is kind of like speed in a car, all right? And we know usually when you're doing speed is like miles per hour, right? MPH, that's miles per hour, all right? So instantaneous speed, I'm driving, there's an accident, I slow down, I speed back up, I hit the gas hard, I hit it harder, I come off the gas, I hit the brake. At all different times, my speed is changing. That's instantaneous speed, okay? Now, in comparison, you have average speed, okay? And average speed is the total distance divided by the total time, okay? So I'm driving to Florida. All right, I hit traffic in downtown, then it clears up. So maybe I was going like 60 in downtown, then it clears up, so I'm going like 70, 75. Then I hit like South Georgia and it's pretty clear, so I'm going about 80. And then I slow down some more, whatever. My speed is always changing. But if Florida is total distance 400 miles from where I started, okay, and it took me 5 hours to get there, Okay, if I divide those, that gives me a total of 80. 80 miles per hour. Miles per hour. That was my average speed. Okay. All right. Last thing really quickly. Let's talk about, oh, actually I did a video on this. So we are done. There is one section. Did I do the video on this? Let me just double check. I did. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to stop this video right here, and then you have one more short video.